Welcome to Santevi, located in Barangay San Vicente, San Pablo City, Laguna. We have 3 model units available here. We have the single attached, mansion duplex, and townhouses. Very near sa TR4 kaya very accessible po when it comes to transportation. Along the highway din po ang ating subdivision. Very near sa ating major banks, hospital, and schools para sa ating mga kids. So tara, pasukin natin ang ating model unit here in Santevi. This model unit is complete upon turnover with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, living room, dining area, kitchen in this part. And you also have extra space dito sa gilid sa may carport for your expansion in the near future. Kung ano po yung nakikita nyo, exactly ito na po ang turnover ng ating mga bahay. Kung mapapansin nyo po yung mga CR po natin is nakatiles po from ceiling to flooring. Even sa second floor po, kung ano po yung makikita nyo, yun na rin po yung actual turnover. Meron na siyang partition, nakatiles na po siya, meron pong balcony. And meron din po tayong sariling toilet and bath dito sa second floor ng inyong bahay for your convenience para hindi na po kayo bababa pag nais nyong gumamit ng toilet and bath. We also have family area sa ating second floor. Tara't pasukin natin ang ating first bedroom kung saan fit na fit ang inyong single to double size bed. Malaki rin yung space at may mga bintana sa part na ito. Then sa ating second bedroom, we have 2 windows fit for your single to double size bed. Nakaready na rin po ang ating mga aircon hole. Let's proceed sa ating master bedroom kung saan malaki, very spacious. Kasya-kasya ang ating mga cabinets at bed na malaki in this part. And let's proceed naman para silipin ang ating balcony. Sa ating single attached or estate, meron po tayong balcony here kung saan may enjoy mo at pwedeng magmuni-muni at magkape sa umaga. Tara at mag-proceed naman tayo at ating silipin ang ating second model unit. This unit is a mansion twin duplex kung saan para ka na rin pong naka-single attached. Dalawa siyang bahay na magkatalikuran. Malaki, very spacious yung lugar, naka-wooden tiles, may kitchen, may CR, at may sarili po siyang laundry area at the back of your house. Kung saan meron ka na rin pong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Complete upon turnover din po ang ating unit na twin mansion. So tara at ating pasukin ang ating second floor. Dito sa taas, here's your master bedroom kung saan fit for your queen to king size bed. Tara at pasukin naman po natin ang ating second bedroom. For your second bedroom, this one is fit for your single to double size bed. Actually, kasya po ang king size bed. And for your last and final bedroom, this one is fit for your single to double size bed. Meron din po tayong sariling toilet and bath dito sa second floor for your convenience. And you also have balcony in this part. Once again, for more details, you can comment down below. Thank you and God bless you all.